Good afternoon. Peace be with you, and I'm a believer also. Assalamu alaikum. I'm very happy to be with all of you here today. I would like to thank you, Dr. Šturm, Dr. Čepar, Dr. Glubokar, for inviting me to contribute myself towards discussion on a topic of such importance. I represent the Islamic community in Slovenia, and we organize religious instruction for over 2,000 elementary school pupils and 500 students of secondary schools of all over Slovenia. Our instruction is on a rather modest scale, and we keep encountering serious difficulties when organizing instruction. This is the most strongly expressed in Ljubljana. The issue of religious instruction and education about religion is a matter of key importance for development of harmonized relations among people in contemporary society. I personally teach the subject Basic of Islamic Religion at the Faculty of Islamic Studies in Sarajevo. In the school year 94-95, I was teaching Islamic instruction to Muslim pupils in the Catholic School Center in Sarajevo. It was a very good experience for me. For the past 10 years, a discussion concerning new values and religion as such has been ongoing throughout the world. This debate is particularly pronounced in countries where religion used to be totally suppressed and excluded from public discourse and life. On the other hand, the beginning of the 21st century is also marked by new social circumstances in the most developed countries of Europe and in the context of discussion concerning plurality and diversity of cultures and religions. As long as by half of the 20th century, Europe used to be for the most part mono-religious and monocultural. The new context, however, possesses new questions. The experience of Muslims, Bosniaks, in this sense may prove to be interesting for the present discussion. For example, in Bosnia and Herzegovina, Islamic instruction is an optional mandatory subject. The same status is granted to the Catholic and Orthodox instruction. I will naturally deal only shortly with the Islamic instruction. Over the past 20 years, we have developed textbook, literature, pedagogic and didactic approach to teaching of religion was greatly improved, and most important, over 90% of pupils decided to attend religious instruction lessons. There have been and still are going public discussions about whether religious instruction is the best choice for pupils or not, and whether it would be better to select the subject's so-called culture of religion or culture of religions. Most parents decided upon confessional religious instruction. Both in Croatia and Austria, Islamic religious instructions is likewise available, like Catholic instructions and like Orthodox instruction also. Experience of religious teachers is expressly positive. In addition to knowledge, the pupils learn and acquire values of extraordinary importance for life. Experience has shown that a systematic approach to teaching of religion allows for a natural development of a student and at the same time enables such student to acquire knowledge in the realm of religion, which helps him or her to apply such knowledge objectively and to use it in real life in building up his or her personality and a free citizen and useful member of broader social community. Of course, I had many experience during the past 20 years. We had different initiatives. I would like just to express two initiatives which were very positive in our region. Oslo Coalition was discussing about the position of religion in public schools. And I have published my text 10 years ago about the image of the others in the Islamic textbooks in Bosnia and Herzegovina. I would like also to mention the initiative of Vienna University. 2 months ago, we had a very positive conference in Kiev, Ukraine. We have been discussing about the approaches of teaching of religion in different states, Balkan states, Central European states, and new states which actually became sovereign after the collapse of Soviet Union. When we compare all those examples, we can say that Slovenia is in some way exceptional comparing with the other states in this region. I don't know, are we capable to change something in that field, but I just want to say that state does not finance any religious activity of Islamic community in Slovenia. So in that field, we are very autonomous, and we as an Islamic community are very interesting in this subject, not only through public religion schools. We are very interested in how we are going to develop the literature, how we are going to open new discussions about possibility of teaching not only religion values, because religion also is a part of culture. So I really congratulate to this Zavod, Sveti Stanislav. It is very important to have discussions about these matters. I prepared some other issues, of course. I will finish now. I respect your time, and probably we will have opportunity, maybe in other conferences, to open some crucial issues about this subject. Thank you very much.